Hello and welcome to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to learn about valency. So basically, what is a valency? Valency is a number when any element will donate an electron or accept an electron. That number we will write as its valency. So before this, you should have a knowledge about what are the elements from element 1 to element 20. What are the noble gases? Why element has a tendency to become stable like a noble gas, and the knowledge about how to write electronic configuration. These concepts you should know. If you don't know this, don't worry, please check out my earlier videos based on this topic. So I am assuming that you have a knowledge about noble gases, electronic configuration, and why any atom wants to be stable like noble gas. Then we are moving towards how to write valency. So here lithium's atomic number is 3, electronic configuration will be 2 and 1. How? We have 4 orbitals K, L, M and N. What are the maximum capacity? 2, 8, 18 and 32. But more than 8 electrons we cannot keep in any of the orbit. So 2 and 8. Now when we are going to write about valency, we should always check that what is the nearest noble gas. In 8th standard there are 3 noble gas in your syllabus. First is helium, the atomic number is 2. Second is neon, atomic number is 10. And the last one is argon, the atomic number is 18. So here you have to check that lithium is near to which of the noble gas, helium or neon or argon. Obviously it is near to helium. So lithium wants to be stable like helium. Lithium wants to achieve an electronic configuration like helium. So it should have a 2 electron. So what lithium will do? That it will donate 1 electron. It will donate 1 electron because it wants to be stable like helium. When any element will donate 1 electron, it will gain positive charge. How many number of electrons they will donate, that many number of positive charge they will get. So here what will be the valency? Because it is donating 1 electron, the valency is 1. And it is donating, electron is moving away. So that's why the charge will be plus. If in case any element is accepting 1 electron, then charge will be minus. When it is a donation, charge will be plus. When any acceptor of electron will be there, then charge will be minus. These are the basic concept you need to know when you are writing valency. Now second example. Atomic number is 7 and the element is nitrogen. So how we are going to write electronic configuration? First will be 2 and then it will be 5. 2, 5. If you will see here, the valence electron is 5. What are the valence electrons? Valence electrons are the electrons present in the valence orbital. What is valence orbital? The last orbital which accommodates electron is known as valence orbital. So which one is the valence orbital for nitrogen? The last one. So how many valence electrons are there? 5 valence electrons are there. So now these 5 electrons are there and 2 and 5. So 7. So nitrogen is near to which noble gas? Helium? No. Argon? No, very far. So it is near to neon. If nitrogen wants to be like neon, it wants to have 10 electrons in its electronic configuration, then how many are lacking here? 8. It should be 8 if it wants to be neon. What is neon's electronic configuration? It is 2, 8. What is argon's electronic configuration? 2, 8, 8. So here we want to make it 8 because neon is nearest one to nitrogen. So it will accept how many electrons? It will accept 3 electrons. Why? Because it wants to be stable like neon. So here how many electrons it has accepted? 3. So valency will be 3 and it has accepted. So it will be minus. The charge will be minus. Here neon. Let us see that what will be the valency of neon. Electronic configuration will be 2, 8. So if you will see here, there are no possibility to add any electron. This valence shell is completely filled. Neon's last shell is completely filled. So it is stable. It does not want to accept any electron, or it does not want to donate any electrons. Why they are doing so? Because they want to be stable. If any element is not stable, then they want to be stable. How they will be stable? Like acquiring electronic configuration just like noble gases, because noble gases are stable. So here it is already stable. So neon's valency will be 0. Why it is 0? Because it does not have any tendency to accept the electron or to donate electron. Why is it so? Because it is already stable. So here again one more example. Sodium. Atomic number is 11. What will be the electronic configuration? 2, 8, 1. Why we did not keep here 9? Because more than 8 we cannot accommodate electrons in any of the orbits. So here 1. Now if you will see, the atomic number is 11. It is near to which noble gas? Neon or helium or argon? Yes, it is near to neon. So this one electron, what is neon's electronic configuration? 2, 8. If it wants to be like neon, then it has to donate this 1 electron. How many electrons it will donate? 1. And it will donate or accept? Donate. When it is donating, the charge will be plus. Now aluminium. What will be the electronic configuration of aluminium? 2, 8, 3. What is atomic number? 13. So 2, 8 and 3. Valence shell has how many electrons? 3 electrons. So which one will be the nearest noble gas? The neon is the nearest noble gas. If it wants to be like neon, then something here it has to do with 3 electrons. So what it will do? It will donate 3 electron and acquire a stable electronic configuration like neon. 3 electrons will be donated, and since it is donated, the charge will be plus. Now the last element, chlorine. Its atomic number is 17. What will be the electronic configuration? 2, 8 and 7. If we will see which will be the nearest noble gas, it is 17. So argon is the nearest noble gas. And what is argon's electronic configuration? 2, 8, 8. If we want to make it 2, 8, 8, then chlorine has to accept 1 electron and to be like argon. So when it is accepting, the charge will be minus. And how many electrons it is accepting? 1. So the valency of chlorine is minus 1. Again, valency is completely depending upon how many electrons the valence shell is donating or accepting. And whenever it is donating, that many positive charge will be generated. Whenever it is accepting, that many negative charge will be generated for the valency.